nti wo mo so mo pepepe nanti na no ase na no bie Peace FM,
okay.
And I'm the message in about a prophet, I found a camp on some. Yes, so shan't come to a computer and tell you the Peace FM for your computer man.
It's Peace FM for an
edino.
Okay.
The domain didn't pajam more, your mammy if you could.
Okay.
Or then better so do once you have a computer man. You're 16th March 1990, a double, Monsieur Friday. Is it?
Okay.
The media part Eric Nana Kwesi. Once I'm Akwesi no, yes, and friend Akwesi. But I have not found Kwesi. Sandy Nana Ponsa. Me for 2 for fee. Okay. 2 for Nana. Can if you direct, the cook must see a few. And I'm Madame Yabi and Tomu crew, the crew beer, a war, a better Jomo, who will be chimma, on ma. Go for Biku Pio and a bosom Cassia that the whole Ashanti can do a Fenatano Jomo, then the Diacono and Timena, which is so as a paramount chief.
And see, Peace FM for start some more computer man, one year, one hesitate, he said, I didn't ready yet, I didn't ready yet.
Semistopoya, and Kenyan and Kenny baby.
Okay.
Computer man, baby, I'm an MBA. Hey, we are computer man. Now I'm in Kumasi. We do report to our cry.
Computer one.
Computer man, we can't plenty get your camera, no self your mammy.
And come. Okay.
Air hostess in a woman, a piano almost 7 or more, double. Will be episode in a chat, self you play. That should tell you, say, computer man is sold out worldwide.
And the computer man didn't even doubt, so we share difference and our changes at the buyer.
Changes at the buyer, and I say, we are saying home.
Okay.
I'm Ponsana a woho. I'm a comma santiman teman here to my pa. No more so for dear moon, and a friend said, Mahutedini. Mahutedini, the old boss of a baby catcher. We judge. And I'm a phone number, cran, I'm the more 50 pattern. What friend I used to call up now? I customize a computer man.
Okay.
Yes. To be beer about me, no. Oh, yeah, pet. If you want to go for Uber, boat, any other, you know, oh, yeah, area have free. I could see man for a computer man.
Just any church needing for never.
Computer man. If you're covered, Jenny, I tell you, say, other, yes, I customize it itself.
Now, regret be ordinary in Echiana.
Grace Biana.
Regret.
No regret. No. Me pesa me say krano. Computer man no ma. Me nye din we ase bebrebe. Say na befo. Ye no me computer ya na de.
Ai.
This all your software now the computer manager say untwamu da. Because we are in the world of computerized.
Yeah.
It's na me ntwamu da. I say the phone ye twam. Ba me ntwam. Obo won se betwam da bia won nipa gumi na ase. So obi asori si ho ntafre na aya fa na nkotere obi akora nko bosome na aya asori ba ko. Because obu amanfo nso every day man nipa sumia every day me ya can say every day man nipa gu ya. Nti me ntwam da because my package me ho self packaging no very powerful. Yeah. I'm very strict. Me be mama on social media no I speak with sense.
Okay.
Na me comment me submissions some de ban so no to man for.
Okay.
This all share me na way ya comments e ba no. People admire me a lot.
Yeah.
Because I am learned. Some 2 masters.
Yeah.
Me nya me PhD 2012 so that ba who say e wo me say. Masters in agriculture and a masters in political science. 2016 I'm in law school, so I am a lawyer by profession, but I don't practice it.
Okay.
I'm a professorship course with UCC on political science. And the part to say Kasa, there's a computer madam, so one must I say I have regretted in tagging that name to my name. No. Many
see, I was there for computer man say a dinner, yeah, that's all, so computer man, no, I aye e course so obetimi fadin bitu so that akoye no me de amano e was for ye de nipa ni nimpan de no ebesi na yenko social media mu ani bro nya ho sansem yeta so a me che bia na counselor Lucho TV petu just say we ye be man na wa wale kra na what 6 side chicks that enye hwe
Makwaya sofu. Ade meka ne se. Ya na Bible no ye si ne trase. Okay. But being why I tell us what about that. It can never be found anywhere in the Bible.
Okay.
Or say when you know Bema be jene jaho, na ho. Then ho ko batta ne yere ho. Onwa ye ho na ba. Maka say the yere ko batta ne yere ba ko pe ho.
Okay.
Wo me yere ho. Na me power. It power ka me yere.
Okay.
Na met me afaw. Na me kasa makwaya sofo ntino ma bo ha. I omit it. But obi a wonye sofo. Na me bia akyekyere na de. What me fa as many that he can. Mesenya sofo dia. Kama wara 9.
Kama wara 9.
Yes. Anya sofo
dia kama wara 9.
Because oba ba ko te ho a ya na se bi jimi ndo so do. Agia boso on kramofo mu nyansa. They married up to 4 wives.
Okay.
But the mind message say he shares everything that he has accordingly.
Okay.
Without cheating on each other. But here Christopher will be at Bema or Baba or Benny Aduani or Conan was also my break. And to be what I have May I have told my wife say, me or you're rough. Me first side chick. I've told her.
Oh, you're rough for first side.
No, sorry, side. We can't say side chick. Aye. Nade. Yeah, maybe I'm a boy, Nadia. Ya twene dia bo say sharam ponsan ko ade.
So your missus.
O person or your missus a me de me yefuna daka. They also be ba so yefuna daka.
Levi.
No bi a wale tene ba ko ho. Na awo ma.
For better for worse.
For better for mo say. We nya sa be have me why wade. Me ko si am ponsa de me so fudie me ye too painful. Nti I succumb to cancel truth.
Okay.
So I'm performing this. That's I agree.
I agree. Let us say attention for cassette brofo.
Okay, anyway.
Let's aswa and che bia na GS the bar say P44 encounter in social bia na nko so muduro 8 am. Na teacher kojo aye na ye nimi no a oka a teacher for how editor apan GS enso nkola ekotwiro bi na omuduru ho 8 no na GS o ma time no o ma nkola no anya we amudi somebody akọ 9 e ma teacher kojo den twiro ye bi ekogu Facebook na anche na teacher kojo nya letter say ya sack no every teacher edwuma no we certain party member here and who has say
what teacher Kojo did no was uncalled for.
Okay.
Because GS no I'm PRO so in case you come across the administrative errors na
brofo no o kan obechira se mama worry
in case what ban be ampanyini mu no me be atochima ne nkoyia you have every right to draw their attention through a letter not an email or address and can come home I don't say several rights of but not on social media or the media fraternities a bus paper now I undermine the integrity of the Ghana Education Service. What is why you count yourself in as a trained teacher?
Okay.
There's one opposition. The ethics in teaching, what do you mean? Why must you all of a sudden come on airwaves with a written word or committing yourself? Even if it just came by verbally and could be and say he was cracking jokes.
Okay. Yeah, so same being an ame.
It's a written.
Okay, written the intimacy sample. I said contracts. Okay.
But as a verbal, his voice was doctored.
Yeah. It was oral.
Yes. Unim say, wo we train teacher. I joined the Christian Council of Ghana. If I see anything I can't just come on and say me attack you. I have to go to them, write to them at first. If they fail to somebody reply, then I have every right to approach them. They are human beings.
Sure.
We are now, then baby, I saw the fun. Oh, they are fat. So they have been some basis, the concrete evidences.
Okay.
When you enter me, so the peoples were sent over there, and because of that, the time was changed until what Baba actually did. I agree with the Ghana Education Service for second teacher Kojo from his position as a trained teacher, because professionalism involves or comprises so many things.
Okay.
Yeah, maturity counts a lot in teaching. How can you become a teacher without applying wisdom or maturity?
How can you become a teacher without applying wisdom or maturity? Okay. I would say for near this year, you be computer man, sana afi echo estimano. It was so in birthday room and then a birthday in the neck. Afi echo say.
But that's it. I can confidently say this has become a very powerful and a blessing year to Ghanaians.
Okay.
Abaya fi abayi shira kese biamba. Though we never had it easy.
Okay.
If they say we recorded more deaths.
Yeah.
Em's accident recently I put Esmas and say
accident also.
So far as I say who say be correct. Series of demonstrations were exhibited.
Yeah.
A chair of democracy is at work. And I'm very happy on behalf of the newly appointed IGP.
Okay.
The able and energetic IGP. The patriotism. Our dinam. Oh, ye nechuma no pia. Said this is the first time I mean who IGP. On tonight, I so office where my air conditioning one who no one can nam. It made me a cash a year, though the economy wasn't solid.
Okay.
But minimum said government spent much on coronavirus buses.
Yeah.
And then light bills, no water bills, and my vulnerables.
Aye.
So what the vulnerables?
That's right. Mr. For no money being so back I could find yeah, the lights move for 3 months, yeah, so 3 months.
And no, until my sikasam kofo. And then this same year, the challenges from the oppositional parties were very accurate.
Okay.
They stood on their nerves and challenged the certain government.
Okay.
That should tell you, say, they rather fueled chance for government to do the proper thing.
Okay.
Ultimately, yes. There were some things be a buy, yeah. And then the maker said, na a tragedy.
Okay.
Ya to yire nchem say nkode ya headmaster do mom ko tete mo ya say they got wrong so far wo mo na se for ene omo so a kai fo ya nsu card wo kopin na nyina mo no so far say we always on daily basis have the increment in our can say population there.
Okay.
Deaths will be recorded, tragedies will be recorded, but in all we have to embrace ourselves as much love and then make sure say every
okay. And then final video for the year with computer man exclusive interview. And my my fans will pay exclusive interview.
Man, they make catch you watching first and foremost. My that attention TV for mass.
I say that.
See you. I'm sure you remember.
Prophet Eric Akwesi entry. And also the Kwesi.
And also the Eric.
And also the Eric.
My namesake. Me parasem, he respects me a lot. and respect everybody, including even you, the workers. Now, and so Chismen, now, general manager,
okay. About 4.
You've gotten energetic, powerful, and respectful general manager.
But for Michael.
But for Michael, I'm sure. Akosia Sparkles.
Papa.
But I was a P.
Say that.
What do you say? Can be as one about one time for me. There is nothing doubtful about that.
Hey,
it will surely
come to pass. Amen.
You have twins. Oh, Mrs.
Okay, my bad.
That was a power idea. You relaxedly, conducted series of interviews with me. Yeah, you never rushed. And I brought for one pray.
Mom, pray me home. My mom,
you interviewed me by going one after the other. And no, my young said, now I was out of the chair again. It's not my person. Go away to be into a star of journalism. Keep it up.
Thank you.
And I'm cameraman, so I had the also back. Sikapa was so a premium of variance. And I'm a de bunny, the man.
It's a one prayer.
I'm pretty I can be doing nothing. My idea, attention TV, and I feel viewership, no, a back when if now started.
Yeah.
We say picture quality, you don't have any problem. My sound is okay. Now you've gotten your lapel and all those things. Which is say in rough, that's a say. Now with the video too within a week, no more than 30,000 K.
Amen. Amen.
I'm to me abwa baby. Yeah, you know, so that's I mean, never had it easy.
Okay.
We started from somewhere and now ended it here. Obi Banon saw down so the yeah. Now he thinks otherwise. Maybe the person may think say I have a certain compliment or supplement via a year juju bibi. No. It's about the branding of the distance, the mind, and the branding of myself, and then me exclude myself from other friends.
Okay.
Nti nyamisha fans so go hwe attention TV. Nko so na mo hwe na mo subscribe na mo like na mo share na mo leave comment wase. Through that we my attention TV. We na me catch them.
Afana yenso ye beka se nyamisha papa say this year so open time we busy. Open time my na yenso no betwe enkomo.
Power warranty.
Nyamisha papa I will say for and your last day of year no your day exclusive interview and AC osambe hu ye biama na ye 2022 na nde kase obia enhwe ne husu yie se na bronya be programs ebe koso so be pie obakoji weni na yenso ye sanso fa so dia mo bibia merry Christmas and a prosperous new year midi ane Akosia Sparkles exclusive interview ye be share 2022 ya das papa se mo hweye